It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. Okay, we're gonna get right into it. But first, click that notification button so you can stay up to date with all my entertaining videos. Keeping it real with you guys, I be doing so many videos. I got a lot of used wigs, so I just be keeping them in this bag after I wear them. This is only the used ones, not the new ones. So anyway, I just picked one and voila. So I started by washing it with my purple shampoo and then I conditioned it for about 20 minutes. After I sprayed and brushed back the edges of my wig, I tied it down with one of these Velcro straps. So after you take it off, the edges are completely flat and none of the baby hairs get in the way of the installation. So here's the wig now that is completely clean, conditioned, and straightened and flat ironing. Now this is such a tight fit. As you can see, it's kind of hard for me to put down because I customized it to fit my head. If you guys would like to see how I size a wig, make sure you click in the description box because I do have a link along with some other videos that you guys have not seen before. Cleaning my edges with some alcohol. Look, I'm showing you guys this because this is the brown makeup that we always put on to hide the lace, but yet we clean our edges again after we put the makeup on and we just take it right off. What are we doing, people? Is it necessary or not? Should we just wait till after we put the lace on to do it or what? Well, yeah, I guess it's necessary. At least for the bald cap it is. So now I'm going to let this air dry for a minute, then I'm going to pull this baby down. So now that my glue is dry, I'm going to go ahead and start trying to put this thing down. It is a little challenging for me because it is such a tight fit. I'm just going to take my comb and try to move the hair off from the edges just so none of the baby hairs don't get stuck in the glue until I get ready to do my baby hair. Now I will do the same thing on the opposite side. Now I'm going to tie my edges down for a few minutes with my satin edge scarf just to make sure that everything holds in place. Now I'll remove it to see if there's anything else that needs to be done to my edges. Like if there's any spots that don't have glue in it, I'll go ahead and fix those at this time. Now this part, if you have any white spots from your glue not being completely dry, you can just take a rag, spray a little alcohol on it and just dab it and it should clear up right away. I'm going to start parting my hair so that I can see how I'm going to style it. Taking my curling wand to define my parts and sleek my edges. Yeah, these edges is on fleek. So I put a little ponytail at the top of my head. Now I'm going to pin back the back of my hair and start to mold my little baby hairs. Well, not my baby hair per se, because I want sort of like a soft baby hair look, but the part of the hair that goes back, I'm going to go ahead and put a little of the mousse on there so that lays flat and firm when I get ready to tie it down real quick. And I'm also putting a little mousse on my ponytail part so that everything lays together nicely. So now I'm going to tie it down and start working on this ponytail, y'all. As you can see, I tried to hurry up the process by wand curling the back already, so you guys wouldn't have to wait long. Now I'm going to be using one bundle of 14-inch hair in loose wave. So after I get all this hair straightened out, I'm just going to take a bobby pin, stick it in the end of it, stick it in my hair, and just start to wrap it around and wrap it around until it gets to the thickness that I want my ponytail to be. Round and round, round and round, round and round we go. Now that I'm just about end of the hair, I'm going to take a small piece, spray it with some holding spray, and just start wrapping this little strand of hair around and around the ponytail to secure it. Recurl some of these curls that fell, and then start working on the ponytail portion of the curls. All right, let's see what we working with. Oh, snap. Edges on fleek, hair straight, hair bouncy, moving around. Okay, okay. I'm going to just define this little part right here by just spraying just a little bit of holding spray right there. Then I'm going to put a little heat to it, make it stick out like it's flaring out. No, I'm not going to do the other side because it's not showing, and I don't want my ponytail to start sticking out like a mushroom. Okay, okay. Yay. But I do like it. A cute little simple ponytail. I'm going to slip something on, go to the grocery store, and I'm just going to be looking cute going to the grocery store and coming back home and starting on another video for a couple of days from now. Okay, thank you for watching. I super appreciate you guys' support. Make sure you click the links in the description box for more videos that you guys have not seen. And talk to me. Tell me what y'all want to see next, peeps. Y'all my fam.